Okay, we are a day out from an FUE hair transplant for this gentleman who really wanted a stronger beard. He had some beards, he's weaker on this side. Some tips that were done, we did a combination of harvesting from the submental region to get as many beard hairs extracted here, but he actually had pretty decent hair follicles as well from the back of the scalp. So did FUE from there and also from here to transplant this area. Blended them, putting more of the beard hairs along the perimeter to create a stronger shape. The way that I designed this is using what's called coronal or perpendicular sights. Part of that, with a bevel of the solid core needle down, allows the grafts to angle and shingle correctly. You want to place them in a way that they create a nice angulation, and that each graft gives the best results. And I've also done his sort of strap going across here into his mustache and his goatee zone. We'll see the other side now. This is his other side here. Sorry, the light, somehow the flash came on here, but it doesn't really matter. This is his other side. This side was the actual side that was slightly denser in certain aspects, but I tried to match them as best I could. Submental harvest zones you can see over there, but he's doing well. He's telling me that he has almost zero pain a day out.